and it's really secure, as you guys can see. Like it stays on. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm usually somebody who doesn't do hair tutorials because I spend so much time on my makeup and then I only have like 30 minutes left on my hair, so I usually just brush it and I'm good to go. But recently this past weekend I did a super sleek hairstyle for the first time and I was super proud of myself that I was able to pull this off. But then I got a lot of comments on Twitter and Instagram asking me how I got my hair like this, so I figure I would do a tutorial for you guys. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll insert a picture right here. I did a really sleek, like pulled back, super tight, high ponytail, and it was so fierce and fun and just something out of my comfort zone because I usually go for the very like feminine curls and like loose curls, nothing too tight or sleek. And I literally pulled all of my hair back in a really high ponytail, and I used this hair extension ponytail from the hair shop, and it was amazing. Like it pulled the whole entire look together. So I'm really excited to share what I did with you guys, and hopefully it'll help some of you out. I have a pretty fine hair, and I also have tape-in extensions. So in some of my videos, I really don't care about the way my hair looks, but you guys can kind of see it. I have tape-on extensions. If you're interested in getting extensions, I definitely recommend tape-ons. They are just so amazing, really natural looking. Most people don't even know I have extensions on, and it actually has helped my natural, like real hair grow so much. I've had tape-in extensions for probably almost 2 years now, and my natural hair is so healthy looking. So my real hair lands about like right here. It kind of sits on my shoulders, but with extensions, they're pretty long. Like this is all of my extensions. And the reason that my hair is kind of a little bit oily and third day hair, it's because this hairstyle works really well when you have a little bit of oil on the top of your head, because that's how you're going to kind of get the sleek look. When it's freshly washed, sometimes it can be really frizzy and just too new, and that's when you kind of want to do other hairstyles like curl your hair or whatever it may be. But this is, I think, second or third day hair. My hair gets really oily fast, so I try not to wash it every single day because I feel like it gets even more oily. But I think the best way for me to show you this tutorial would be to go in the bathroom. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in my bathroom. Okay friends, we are now in my bathroom. Now the first thing that you wanna do is make sure that you, like I said, kind of have a little bit of a second day or third day hair. It just seems to work way better for me that way. And you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna brush out your hair because you don't want any tangles. Now these right here are the extensions. Now these extensions are meant for ponytails. So you're gonna tie your hair up and basically wrap this around, and it gives your ponytail more length and more volume. These are from the hair shop, which I'll post a link down below for you guys, their website. But I have a store by my house where I just quickly went and kind of got a chance to look at everything in real life. But these are the 22-inch black extensions. They have like black is black, and then they have like an off black which has a little bit of brown in it, but the color matches my hair perfectly. And this is real human hair, so you can wash, curl, straighten, you can do anything with it. It was a little bit on the expensive end, but I think it's worth it because it's so realistic looking, and it's something that I can see myself using for a pretty long time down the road. But first you do want to also brush out your extensions. Like I used this the other night and I have to brush it out now, and it's so easy to brush out, as you guys can see. There's no tangles or anything like that. It's super soft hair and it looks really real in person. I would definitely recommend you guys, when you first buy your hair extensions, to wash it first and blow dry, so it kind of gives it the very human-like feel, because right out of the package it's super synthetic and plastic looking, where it looks like fake Barbie hair. So I would definitely wash it first before you use it or anything like that. They also had like 18 inches I believe, which is really perfect for maybe if I want to do a ponytail for a natural every single day. But since I wanted a dramatic effect, I went for the 22-inch, and it was so much fun to wear. Since my extensions are straight, I also need to straighten my natural hair. So when the ponytail is attached on my head, it looks super natural. And I'm just gonna use a hair straightener. I'm using the Remington one. This is the color. I think it's so pretty. And it gets the job done. It heats up pretty fast and straightens your hair really fast too. So when you straighten your hair, you just want to focus on the ends because that's ultimately what's going to show the most. Okay, so once you have your hair straightened, that's like the prepping part. Now we are going to pull our hair up into the highest ponytail possible. So you want to brush all of your hair back and make sure there's no knots at the ends. And then what I like to do is I just flip my hair upside down like this and I brush everything down. This way, everything goes in the same direction. This is also the part where I put this gel formulation to make my hair super sleek back. So I'm gonna show you right here. I literally found this the other day at Target. There you guys go. Hopefully you can see it. I found this the other day at Target in the hair section, and it is so good. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. It's perfect for perfect edges, and it looks like this. It's like a yellow gel inside. You take literally this much of it, like a dime size, work it into your hands, and you're gonna work it to the front, the side, and the back of your hair. You wanna make sure the product is really into the roots of your hair because it's gonna help it perfect those edges. And I like to do that twice because I like a really sleek look. And then you're gonna take your brush and you are going to hold your ponytail in one hand and you are going to brush everything to the ponytail. This sounds kind of gross, but the dirtier your hair is, the easier this hairstyle is. Because then you won't have all the baby hairs kind of sticking or coming apart. Or sticking out, you know? So this is great for days where you forgot to wash your hair or didn't have time. And you can determine how high you want your ponytail. I'm a pretty short girl, I'm about 5 feet, so I like my ponytails really high because it kind of gives the illusion that I'm a little bit elongated. So I'm gonna go as high as I think is possible. And if you don't want to do a ponytail, after this you can also do a bun. The product is so good. Literally it keeps all of my baby hairs into place and makes everything super sleek. So you don't have to do a ponytail if you don't want to. I'm going to take a pretty thin hair tie. I'm going to tie my hair. My hair is still kind of clean, so it's not as tight and sleek as I would want it to be, but that's completely okay. If you want to take a little bit more of that gel and sleek back these baby hairs, you can. And because I have tape-in extensions, sometimes it's kind of hard to keep my head really flat right there. Okay, so now we have our ponytail. Now this is what my ponytail would look like without the extensions. I have a pretty big amount of volume, but no length. So that's what I'm looking for, is kind of length to make it look longer and more dramatic. But this is cute, like if I want to rock it to school. But to add more drama, I'm going to put the extensions in. So these are what the extensions look like all brushed out. Now, there were 2 types of extensions that I could have bought. One, it had a Velcro all around and you basically just wrap it around your hair. This one pins to your ponytail. As you guys can see, there's a pin right here. It pins to your ponytail, so you wrap it around, and then as you can see, this is a little bit weird, but what this piece does is once you wrap it around the Velcro, you can take this piece of hair and hide your hair tie and your Velcro, and it makes it super clean and sleek. So I actually did this for the first time on Saturday, and I had to do it about 3 times to nail it because I didn't really quite get it right the first time. But what you want to do is hold the ponytail up here. As you can see, that's what it's going to look like. It's already a completely different look. You want to take that pin, you know, that pin that we're talking about, this thing, and you want to push it into your ponytail in a way where you can still wrap the Velcro around the ponytail. So basically your ultimate goal is to wrap this around the ponytail, but you want to pin it to secure. So let's see. As you guys can see right here, it's just really hard when I have black on black hair. So now you take your Velcro and you tightly wrap it around your ponytail. And you gotta work with a really tight hand. I'm literally pulling as I go. There we go. So we're taking that strand of hair. Remember that strand of hair earlier? And that's what you want to hold on to and pull as you're wrapping it around. And just an FYI, if you're going to wear this ponytail, I don't know how Ariana Grande does it, but you better bring some Tylenol because it's gonna give you a headache. It gave me a headache all night, but it was so beautiful, I kept it on. And then when you get to the ends like this, you just wanna hide it in the back and just take literally a million bobby pins and you wanna pin it down. You wanna secure that sucker, because if that thing unravels, everyone's gonna see your weave. And boo, trust me, you don't want that. So I always like to lay on the lay it flat on my head and bobby pin that section. And then what I like to do is, oh my god, it looks so good already, is take a bobby pin. Oh, these are really cool. They're also by Remington and they're matte black. And I just separate the pins like this and I bobby pin the bottom of the ponytail, kind of, so it secures that piece of hair that covered my hair tie, but also make sure that like nothing moves. And since we straightened our hair earlier, see how beautiful, I cannot speak today. You see how beautiful it blends with the extensions? That was the one mistake that I made the first time, was I didn't even care to straighten my hair and I kept it natural and there was like a big lump up here. See, it just gives a different, hi. Now if you have baby hairs in the back, like behind your head, you might wanna bobby pin that down as well. I love a good high ponytail, you guys. I freaking love it. And there it is, you guys, a ponytail. Oh, I love it so much. I love the 22 inches. If you are about my height, go for the 22 inch. You're already paying so much money for the extensions, might as well. And maybe if you want to cut it, you can cut it as well, but I love the 22 inches. And it's really secure, as you guys can see. Like, it stays on. So if you are wearing this out with your girls and you want to party and just dance all night long, well, I mean, you should bobby pin it really hard, but the ponytail does stay on. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. I will have all of the products I used in this video linked down below for you guys, including the extensions and everything that you see in this video, to make it super easy for you. But hopefully you guys try this at home. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I love you guys. Bye.